Step 2. Research your options. Once you have a better understanding of your goals, it's time to do some research. The film industry is a vast and complex ecosystem with countless roles and specializations. You've got your directors, your producers, your cinematographers, your editors, your sound designers, your production designers, and the list goes on and on. Each role requires a unique set of skills and knowledge. So, if you're serious about pivoting into a new area, you need to know what you're getting yourself into. Let's say you're interested in becoming a cinematographer. You'll need to master the technical aspects of camera operation, lighting, and composition. You'll need to understand the nuances of different lenses, film stocks, and digital formats. And you'll need to develop a keen eye for visual storytelling. Fortunately, there are tons of resources available to help you learn about different film industry roles. You can read books, watch documentaries, attend workshops, and even shadow professionals in your desired field. The more you know about the ins and outs of the industry, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your career path.